So I couldn't finish working. There was like a thunderstorm and I think the router burned out. So I'm going out to buy a new one. And yeah, great timing. Today is Friday, the weekend is coming, and I don't want to be without internet. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to be able to find an open place. It's not even 4 yet. Let's see if that store is open. So I was able to find one. I was really lucky that I could find the same model that I had. So I already know how it works and everything. But the weird thing is that the router is protected with the power stabilizer and it burned anyway. So I don't know how is that even possible. On a second thought, maybe the overload went through the Ethernet cable. That could have happened. So yeah, maybe the power overload went through the coaxial cable from where the internet signal comes, and that went through the modem and then through the Ethernet cable to the router. That could be an option, and it doesn't need to go through the power, so the stabilizer won't do anything. So let me show you the difference. This is the old one, the one that burned out. As you can see, these two lights are completely dead. The router would power on, but it doesn't transmit any signal, so I think some chip or something burned out inside. Well, this is the new one, as you can see, all these lights are on and it's transmitting. So yeah, it's completely fucked up and it gets really hot really fast, so something is really wrong inside. And if I place my hand over this one, the temperature is normal. It's just a bit warm, but not hot at all compared to the other one.